Alright, so today we are talking about Wix, one of the most powerful website builders for beginners and the small businesses. And yes, before we get started, there is a special limited time discount available right now. You can claim it through the link in the description. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. And just a reminder, you don't need any coupon code, simply use the link in the description and the discount will be applied automatically. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description to get the exclusive offer link. So let's talk about the Wix. If you want to build a website without learning coding or dealing with technical setup, Wix is one of the easiest platforms out there. It uses a drag and drop builder, so you literally move elements around the page and the design your site exactly the way you want. It feels more like designing a poster than building a website, which makes it perfect for beginners. One of the strongest benefits of Wix is the huge collection of the templates. Whatever your niche is, business, portfolio, restaurant, the online store, blog, Wix has ready-made templates and the designs that look modern and the professional. So you can choose a template, you can replace the text and the images, and your website starts taking a shape instantly. Wix also gives a lot of freedom when designing. You can change the color, you can choose the fonts, layout, buttons, and almost everything on the page. You don't need any plugins or coding skills. Everything is already built into the platform. This is great for people who want full control but don't want the complexity. Now, when it comes to the feature, Wix covers almost everything you need. You get the built-in SEO tools to help your website rank on Google, booking system for the services, online store features if you want to sell product, and the marketing tools like email campaigns and the automation. If you want to manage your whole online presence in one place, Wix makes it simple. Performance-wise, it is solid. Wix handles hosting, updates the security automatically. You don't have to set up anything manually. So your website loads fast, stay protected, and you can manage everything from one dashboard. This makes it perfect for beginners who want a stress-free experience. Now let's talk about the e-commerce on Wix. If you want to start an online store, Wix gives you the product management, the payment option, shopping tools, and easy order tracking. It's not as complicated as many other platforms, which makes it great for the small to medium-sized stores. You can start simple and grow step by step. Now let's talk about the special saving discount. Wix is offering a nice discount on their premium plans. This plan allows you to connect a custom domain, remove the Wix ads, unlock more storage, and get advanced features, and even run an online store. And the best part is that you don't need any manual coupon code. Just use the link in the description and the discount activates automatically. So if you are planning to build a website for your business, portfolio, personal brand, or online store, Wix is one of the easiest and most flexible way to build your platform. Now, with this special offer that is going on the right now, it's a great time to get started and save some money. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to check the link from the description to grab the special discount, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Access Tech for the more simple guides and the helpful reviews.